YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro fam, Retro Gang Gang. Man, it's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. I'm in the shoebox. Yeah, you stand at the wall because I need y'all to help on out with this food drive to help the less unfortunate. Don't forget about the raffle. Look, speaking of the raffle, on the 1990s, the 10s, the off-whites, right? The deserts. These right here, these guys right here. Let me get right. These guys right here. Look, check this out. So this what's going on. I'm gonna go to this particular video so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, basically, everyone that left a comment, I asked you to say Retro Family, Retro Gang Gang, Cash App or PayPal. The first person did, he put Retro Gang Gang and family, then he put PayPal. The Shoe Butler, if you see that one, that's my boy Cortez. Holler at him and follow him on IG. I think he said he got 13 more slots left. Everyone did that right on IG. But YouTube, this is the problem. You got some, my guy said PayPal or Cash App, appreciate you. Who was this, Rudy? Rudy said Retro Gang Gang, Retro Family, but you didn't say Cash App or PayPal. I want to make sure you actually entered. Y'all see this? Go look at the feed. Look at the comments. You see what I'm talking about. I got about 28 comments, and I think I only got 10 in that's locked. So Retro Family, Retro Gang, do you want me to count you? If so, say PayPal. If not, if you don't respond, cool, we're going to keep it pushing. So I'm trying to get everybody a fair chance on this. Like I say, my boy D Shoe Butler, if you follow these comments, he left the second comment, Cortez with the C right here. D Shoe Butler on IG, he got a couple of slots left. I think he said he got 13 slots left. I think, if I'm counting right, I think I got like 11 spoken for. But if your comment was wrong and you didn't understand to leave Cash App or PayPal, I don't want to, have you not enter. And the reason why I'm saying that, if you pay through the $20 through Cash App or PayPal enter this lottery, once I send you the link to pay, I'm gonna assign you a number on Cash App. It's gonna be your particular number on Cash App. Because when you pay somebody on Cash App, you get an emoji or you can use numbers. You're gonna get your number. Same thing with PayPal. You pay with PayPal, you good. It's gonna say once you pay, it says contact the buyer. I can contact you, give you your number. So everyone will have the number once this lottery kick off. We want to get the lottery off. I need to have this lottery off no later than Tuesday. So I want to contact y'all by Sunday. So let's get it, gang. So, by Sunday, if it's not worked out with what we got, we're going to roll with it. Got to help the less unfortunate. Since that's out the way, y'all know I had to come with this heat, right? Y'all know I had to come with this heat. Yeah. Let's get into it, gang. So look, man, I popped up. I hit off the sneaker pads again. I don't know what I'm going to do with this pair. Let's get right into this, man. Yes. Let's get this right. Everybody see that? There we go. So this is what I end up getting. Some more heat. Size 7. Lobsters. SB, the purple. From Atlanta Sneakers down there at the pop-up. I hit on the sneaker pass. This was different. I will tell you, y'all almost called me sleep. I had to get up though, man. They started the pass at 8. Everybody didn't get it, and they stopped it at 11. This particular pass, they actually let you pick it up between actually the same day. Usually, typically, you get a sneaker pass, you go pick it up the next day. So they stopped the clock at 11. And you know me, man, but I woke up at 10:30 and still hit. My size was out, but Maddie's wasn't. So I snatched up Maddie's size. Comes with a lot of laces, bands, and other stuff going on. Inside, of course, you got the SB on the tongue. Man, this material is nice. Maddie tell me she don't want it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that particular pair. I don't know if I'm gonna auction it off or just sell it to, for somebody and use the funds to help out me and Maddie's movement. As well as they gave me this SB book, a dunk book. Never seen nothing like it. Look how thick this is, gang. Still dead stock. Look, Nike, show some love to Retro fam, man, the Retro gang. So look, that's the SBs, right? Told y'all I'm gonna hit y'all with some more heat. Don't go nowhere. I'm gonna go ahead and hit you with this pack here, man. I'm gonna go ahead. I picked these up here at Foot Locker. Good deal on these guys. Of course, y'all know the whole theme and colorway going on. What's this, man? It's Have a Nike Day. Yeah. Bottom. Love the little emblems, of course, they leave on it and on the tongue. Right here, you gotta have a nice Nike Day. Let's move this particular shoe out the way. They wrap each one individual wrapping. They already know me now at Foot Locker. They know your boy need his dead stock. The back, of course, you got the, the smiley face. Both of them got smiley faces, so I'm loving this. I'm loving this one. I'm definitely gonna rock these immediately. So you see, what I'm saying, what you got going on. Classic, I didn't never hit on the Sean Weatherspoons. This might make up for it. Hopefully before Nike leave, if you hear me, man, Nike week is coming up, March 20-something, man. Y'all gonna put the Sean Weatherspoons on the wall, man. Sneaker guys, y'all hear me? Atlanta, sneaker pop up, y'all hear me talking to y'all? Gonna do it for the game, man. Make the family proud. So look, this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Matters Kicks. I'm keeping this video real short tonight so I can post it up on IG so people can see it on IG as well as Facebook, man. So you know what I'm saying? You know what I always say, we love y'all. Stay strong, stay double strong, man. We out. Whole lot of gang.